Good afternoon, dear traders.
Hello, welcome to ИнстаФорекс Economic News channel. With us, Takhmina Salomova
and Anna Kasatkina.
You are watching weekly overview of the currency and commodity markets for the last week.
What is the news from the currency markets?
On Friday, the US dollar closed the week around 9-month lows.
And what sparked the bearish mood?
The downtrend was boosted by expectations that some major central banks were getting ready to join the Federal Reserve in monetary policy tightening. The US dollar index went up to 95.39 from an area around a 9-month low of 95.22. The indicator entered the second quarter in the red, having lost 4.8%, the biggest quarterly percentage decline since the third quarter of 2010. Investors' expectations for tightening monetary policy over the world strengthened after more hawkish statements from the leaders of the European Central Bank, the Bank of England and the Bank of Canada. Hawkish signals from the heads of the central banks contrasted with doubts over the Fed if it will resolve on hiking interest rates again this year after the recent weak US economic reports and growing skepticism that the Donald Trump administration will be able to deliver on its economic course. The euro was a little lower against the greenback on Friday, dropping to 1.1425. The single currency hit 14-month highs around 1.1444 on Thursday and ended the week with a gain of 2.02%. For the quarter, the shared currency rose by 7.1% versus the dollar, its strongest quarterly percentage growth since the third quarter of 2010. The pound sterling was slightly higher. The pound-dollar pair edged up to 1.3027 and ended the week with 2.22% growth. And this is all about the currency quotes for now. Takhmina, what was the mood on the commodity markets?
Crude oil prices extended gains into a seventh session on Friday.
And what pushed the quotes up?
Investors were encouraged by fresh signals of decline in the US oil production. Prices lodged their biggest weekly gains since mid-May. In London, September Brent oil futures were up by $1.14 and settled at $48.77 a barrel. For the week, the London traded contracts appreciated by 6.8%, but since the beginning of the year, Brent is still down about 14.2%. The US West Texas Intermediate futures for August delivery rallied by $1.11 to $46.4 a barrel on Friday. For the week, the contracts gained 7%. However, prices still ended the first quarter with a loss of around 9%. Baker Hughes reported on Friday that the number of active US oil rigs shrank by 2 to 756 over the previous week. Meanwhile, gold prices declined on Friday, suffering their first monthly low since March. Prices fell over the week as well as a rise in global bond yields diminished appetite for precious metals. August gold futures on COMEX lowered by $3.50 to $1,242.30 a troy ounce. The metal fell about 1.1% for the week and lost 2.6% for the month. The yellow metal finished the first half of the year with a gain of nearly 8%.
Takhmina, many thanks for the commodity markets overview. You've watched InstаФорекс weekly overview of the currency and commodity markets with us, Takhmina Salomova
and Anna Kasatkina.
Take care and goodbye.
See you soon.